What if your career wasn't just about making a living, but about making a difference in the most profound moments of life? Meet the funeral director, a professional who combines compassion, organization, and a deep sense of respect to guide families through their hardest days. From planning heartfelt ceremonies to helping families navigate complex logistics, funeral directors are the unsung heroes who bring order to chaos and dignity to grief. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it takes to become a funeral director, why this career is so meaningful, and if it's the right path for you. And trust me, this career is as rewarding as it is unique. Let's dive in. So, what exactly does a funeral director do? At its core, this role is about helping families honor their loved ones in a way that feels authentic and meaningful. Funeral directors handle everything from coordinating services and preparing the deceased to managing legal documents like death certificates. They also arrange burials, cremations, and transportation, ensuring that every detail is taken care of. But beyond logistics, funeral directors provide emotional support. They listen, guide, and often help families navigate the complicated emotions that come with loss. And their work doesn't end after the service. Many funeral directors stay in touch, providing resources for grief counseling or helping with post-funeral tasks. They also play a key role in organizing personalized services, from memory boards to unique rituals that celebrate life. And for those working in multicultural communities, understanding and respecting a wide array of traditions is part of the job. Becoming a funeral director requires a unique blend of skills, both technical and emotional. First, there's the educational aspect. Most funeral directors hold a degree in mortuary science, which covers everything from anatomy and embalming to grief counseling and business management. Next, you'll need to be licensed. Each state has its own requirements, but most include an apprenticeship, passing a comprehensive exam, and completing continuing education. Soft skills are just as important. Compassion, communication, and the ability to stay calm under pressure are essential for this role. And let's not forget organization. Coordinating multiple services, managing staff, and juggling schedules requires top-notch planning skills. Lastly, cultural sensitivity is key. Funeral directors often serve families from diverse backgrounds, and understanding their unique traditions is a vital part of the job. Some funeral directors even take specialized courses in grief counseling to better support families during their darkest moments. Now, let's talk about compensation. Funeral directors typically earn between $50,000 and $75,000 per year, with those managing larger funeral homes or working in urban areas, making over $100,000 annually. Many funeral directors also own their businesses, which can significantly increase earning potential. But this isn't just about the paycheck. The true reward comes from the gratitude of families who deeply appreciate your work. And let's not forget, there are additional opportunities in this field. Some directors offer pre-planning services, helping families prepare well in advance, which provides additional income streams. So, how do you become a funeral director? Step 1. Enroll in a mortuary science program. These are offered at many colleges and can often be completed in 2 years. Step 2. Complete an apprenticeship. This hands-on experience is invaluable, allowing you to learn directly from experienced professionals. Step 3. Get licensed. This usually involves passing a national or state exam and meeting all apprenticeship requirements. And Step 4. Continue learning. Funeral practices are always evolving, and staying updated ensures you'll remain a trusted resource for families. Joining professional associations like the National Funeral Directors Association can also open doors to networking and career advancement opportunities. Of course, being a funeral director isn't without its challenges. The emotional toll can be significant, as you're often surrounded by grief and loss. Long hours are also part of the job. Funerals don't follow a 9-to-5 schedule, and you'll often work evenings and weekends. And then there's the pressure to get every detail right. Families rely on you to ensure that everything goes smoothly, which can be stressful. But for those who feel called to this work, the rewards far outweigh the challenges. Knowing you've made a difficult time a little easier for someone is an incredible feeling. And while self-care is crucial in this field, the sense of purpose and fulfillment can make it all worthwhile. So, is funeral directing the right career for you? If you're compassionate, organized, and want a job that truly makes a difference, this could be your calling. I've included links in the description to mortuary science programs, licensing information, and resources to help you get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Whether you're considering this career or already in the field, we'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more insights into meaningful careers.